Namaskar. Many people are suffering from cough. We have a very simple, effective Ayurvedic combination for the problem. You can see the ingredient: small onion, shallots, juice 10 ml, ginger juice 10 ml, lemon juice 10 ml. Mix all these things. Drink 3 times per day. 10 ml morning, 10 ml afternoon, 10 ml. Repeating 2-3 days will solve difficult cough.